Okay, let's get started.
Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is take some of the silver garland and cut it. Let's find the end. I'm just going to unravel it, and I'm going to put some inside the ornament. Okay, now I'm just going to cut it. Now it doesn't require a whole lot. That in itself is a look. So you can do that as well. Okay, so next up, I have some bling wrap. And of course, this is from TotallyDazzled.com, but you can find it at Dollar Tree as well. So what I want to do with this is cut it, and I want it to look like this. I want it to be just like that. So what I'm going to do is cut it in strips, and I'm going to stop on that row. Okay, just like that. So now what I'm going to do is just put some glue right around the top. And I'm just going to take that first row and glue it down. I'm going to add some more glue. Glue all the way around. Okay, and that's what we have so far. So now I'm going to take my second strip and pick up where I left off. Now I'll cut off the extra strips. And now we have that. I know it's really different looking. Now what I want to do is glue part of these down. So I'm going to stick this in a cup. And just take a bead of glue down to about there. Then go to the next one, do the same thing. And you just continue to go all the way around. And this is what we have so far. So I could go ahead and glue all of this down and it would look like that. But I like the idea of it hanging freely. So I'm going to leave it that way. So now I'm going to go ahead and pop this back in place. And then I'm going to hot glue 2 rows of bling around here. Okay. You can leave it like that and be done with it. Or you can take some of the Dollar Tree ribbon, this glitter ribbon. And the best thing to do is to spray it with some hairspray, because as you'll see while I'm using it, it's going to shed. So I'm just going to cut a piece off and make a bow.
Okay, so this is a rushed bow.
It's not the best bow in the world. So what you would do is just put some glue down. And then glue your bow right on top. And then your hook will go here. Isn't that pretty? Now, you can do it with color too. Here's a blue iridescent garland that I found at Dollar Tree. The blue bling is from Dollar Tree. And I did the same exact thing with this one. So now we have 2. you can see how it can be done with color. Okay, moving right along to the next ornament. This time around we're going to work with gold. My garland unraveled. So now I'm going to take some of my confetti and I'm going to put some right inside the ornament. And then I'm going to take some garland and just put it on the inside. Cut the garland. You want to close that hole up with some hot glue. Okay, so now I'm going to cut 2 rows of bling. This is from TotallyDazzled.com also, but you can also find this at Dollar Tree. Just like that. And here's what it looks like in silver. So simple. You can spend $4. The ornament is $1, the garland is $1, the confetti is $1, and then the bling wrap at Dollar Tree is $1. So you can spend $4 to create this beautiful ornament. And plus you'll have plenty of garland, confetti, and bling wrap left over. Of course you have to pay another $1 for the ornament. But yeah, those are really pretty. Okay, moving right along to the next DIY. Again, I'm going to remove the string. Go ahead and remove this cap. We're going to put some hot glue right over the hole at the top. Here I have a feather boa from Dollar Tree. And I've been able to find it in blue, white, and purple. I don't know if they have any other colors. So the first thing I want to do is go ahead and remove this piece to here. Okay, so now I'm going to feed some of it into the ornament. I don't want a whole lot. I still want some of the clear space to show. I think that's enough. Alright, so now I'm going to seal it with some glue. And that's what it looks like so far. That's so pretty if you have pink decor on your tree. Here I have some bling from Amazon.com. Now you don't have to use this. I already have it, so I plan on using it. You can also, again, use Dollar Tree bling. I also have this bling from Amazon. So what I'm going to do is, initially I thought about going around it with the pink, but instead I think I'm going to use the silver. And now I'm going to cut it right down the middle. So what I'm going to do is just go here to here. Now I'm going to trim 2 rows of the pink bling. Now I'm going to go right down the side. I'm going to do this side as well and do it to the other 3 sides. Then I'll come back and move on to the next step. So here I cut 5 rows of the bling and I'm going to use it to wrap around the neck. So I'm going to go ahead and add the silver bow, then come back and let you see what it looks like. Here I have some rhinestones and I've already picked out some that I'm going to use. What I'm going to do is put 3 rhinestones in the center. Okay, this ornament was out of focus before, so I decided to come back in and let you get a better look. Hopefully it's focusing okay right now. Okay, moving right along. For this ornament, I'm going to use some mirror tile. I'm going to use this chunky glitter, and it has some small pieces in it as well, and Mod Podge. So let's get started. First thing I did was cut 2 rows of the mirror tile, and I'm going to put it right in the center. So now I'm going to take 1 strip and put it just above here. So now I'm going to take some Mod Podge, put it into a container. So now I'm going to take the Mod Podge and brush it on. So now I'm going to take my glitter and just sprinkle it on. Again, I apologize for it being out of focus before. All I did was put 2 rows of mirror tile around the center. 1 row here, 1 row here, here, here. The Mod Podge between there, it is sprinkled in my glitter. After the Mod Podge dried, I sprayed the entire ornament with hairspray. So I'm going to go in and clean up the mirror tile. Okay, so now we have an ornament with white feathers in it from Dollar Tree. And this is what they look like. So, with this particular one, I am going to add a Chanel logo to. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm sorry that my battery died in the middle of me pulling off my logo. Here's what it looks like, and it's on transfer paper. Now, you can make these without a Cricut, and I've done it in a video, and I'll link it below to show you exactly how to do it. Now I'm going to just place this right in the center and press it down. Not such an easy job to put the vinyl on round surfaces. I need to work out some of the kinks, but yeah. Now here I have some black bling, again from TotallyDazzled.com. If you don't have black, you can use silver
or whatever color you like.
Since this is the front, I'm going to start in the back. And that's how they look so far. Now I could add some rhinestones on there. I'm not sure if I want to do that. And here's one I did with the word Chanel. And that's really pretty too. Simple but pretty. And finally, for the last one, I have some of these Dollar Tree branches.
And if you guys see my last DIY ornament video, you'll notice that I use these branches in that video as well.
I already have some branches that I cut, but this time I'm going to add string lights. Here I have one that I've already unraveled. So I'm just going to take it and I'm just going to wrap it around here just to give it some form. Okay, so now we have a spiral. So now I'm just going to go ahead and put this on the inside. Okay, so we get right here. We don't put this on the inside. So now you take your branches and just stick them in. Try to make sure that you put them at different angles. Now you just take the top and put it back on. We're not going to glue this top down. So now you have it. So what you do is just take your battery pack and hide it inside the tree. If you want to, you can add a little bit of glue. But yeah, that's it.
And here are my 6 new Dollar Tree ornaments. I think they're all very unique and beautiful, and let's not forget, easy to make. So you can definitely make these with your kids. Okay everyone, this concludes my video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, everyone, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. And happy holidays!